span of just half a decade, Shahid Kapoor's darling wife, Meera Rajput, has managed to create a special place for herself in everyone's hearts. Now, with everyone in the country practicing home quarantine, Meera shared a throwback photo of hers with her hand covering her face. Trying to find humor in the stressful situation, clad in a gorgeous layered dress, the stunner wrote, "It wasn't a sneeze." Lovebirds Malaika Arora and Arjun Kapoor never cease to awe us with their stunning chemistry and super cute PDAs. Adding to the collection, Malaika recently posted a picture of herself and all her BFFs sleeping along with the caption, "Friends that nap together stay forever." Reacting to this adorable picture, Arjun wrote, "But you're smiling in your lap also, wah." His witty remark was welcomed with the cutest reply by his lady love. She responded with, "But you know I smile in my sleep." After the World Health Organization declared coronavirus as a pandemic, people in many countries across the globe have been asked to stay at home as a precautionary measure. With authorities and various celebrities like Amitabh Bachchan, Akshay Kumar, and many others trying to spread awareness and asking everyone to stay home, a fan page dedicated to popular star kid Taimur Ali Khan has now shared an edited video which shows Tim Tim wearing a mask that reads, "Stay home, stay cool."